Imagine a world where machines can write stories, create art, drive cars, diagnose diseases, and even talk to you like a human. That world isn't science fiction anymore. It's powered by artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is already part of your daily life, even if you don't realize it. When Netflix recommends a movie, when Google finishes your search, when your phone unlocks with your face, AI is working behind the scenes. But what exactly is AI? And what's the difference between machine learning and deep learning? In this video, we're going to break it all down step by step in simple language. Let's start with the foundation. But here's the key idea. AI doesn't think like humans. Instead, it uses data and algorithms to find patterns and make predictions. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine you want a computer to recognize cats in photos. A traditional program would require thousands of rules like, if it has whiskers, fur, and pointy ears, maybe it's a cat. But that approach doesn't scale. Instead, AI systems learn from examples. You show the computer thousands of cat photos and non-cat photos. Over time, it learns patterns that distinguish cats from other objects. That ability to learn from data is what makes AI powerful. Today, AI is used everywhere. Healthcare, finance, transportation, education, entertainment, cybersecurity. And the most exciting part? We're still early in the AI revolution. But to understand AI deeper, we need to talk about the technology that powers most modern AI systems: machine learning.
What is machine learning?
Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Instead of programming every rule manually, we allow machines to learn patterns from data. Think of machine learning like teaching a child. You don't give the child thousands of rules. Instead, you give them examples. Over time, they start recognizing patterns. Machine learning works in a similar way. Here's the basic process. Step 1, collect data. Step 2, train a model. Step 3, test the model. Use the model to make predictions. Let's take an example. Suppose you want to build an AI that predicts house prices. You feed the system data such as house size, number of bedrooms, a location, year built, a price. The machine learning model analyzes these patterns and learns relationships between them. Then when you give it a new house, it predicts the price. Machine learning powers many tools you use every day. Email spam filters, YouTube recommendations, fraud detection, voice assistants, product recommendations. But machine learning itself has different types. The three most common types are supervised learning. This uses labeled data. For example, images labeled cat or dog. The model learns from these examples. Unsupervised learning. Here, data has no labels. The algorithm tries to find patterns on its own. For example, grouping customers based on shopping behavior. Reinforcement learning. This is learning through trial and error. The system receives rewards or penalties based on actions. This approach is used in game AI, robotics, self-driving cars. Machine learning has become incredibly powerful. But there's another level of AI that takes things even further. That's called deep learning.
What is deep learning?
Deep learning is a special type of machine learning. It uses structures called neural networks, inspired by the human brain. Now don't worry, this isn't as scary as it sounds. A neural network is basically a system of connected layers that process information. Each layer extracts more complex patterns from the data. For example, imagine a neural network trained to recognize faces. The first layer might detect edges and lines. The next layer might detect eyes and noses. The next layer identifies faces. This layered approach allows deep learning models to handle very complex problems. Deep learning is responsible for many of the biggest breakthroughs in AI. For example, speech recognition, self-driving cars, language translation, image generation, AI chatbots. Systems like modern conversational AI rely heavily on deep learning models trained on massive datasets. These models can learn incredibly complex patterns, far beyond traditional machine learning methods. But this raises an important question. What exactly is the difference between
AI,
machine learning,
and deep learning?
AI versus machine learning versus deep learning.
The easiest way to understand this is through nested layers. Artificial intelligence is the big umbrella. Inside AI, there is machine learning, and inside machine learning, there is deep learning. Think of it like this. AI is the overall goal, making machines intelligent. Machine learning is one way to achieve that goal. Deep learning is a specialized technique within machine learning. Here's a simple analogy. Imagine transportation. Transportation is the big category. Inside it, you have cars. Inside cars, you have electric cars. AI equals transportation. Machine learning equals cars. Deep learning equals electric cars. Another key difference is data and complexity. Traditional machine learning often works well with smaller datasets. Deep learning usually requires huge amounts of data and computing power. That's why deep learning became popular only after big data became available. Powerful GPUs were developed. Cloud computing became accessible. Now, let's explore one final question. How does AI actually learn from data?
How AI actually learns from data.
At the heart of AI learning is a simple idea: finding patterns in data. Imagine you want an AI to detect spam emails. You give it thousands of examples of spam emails
And
normal emails. The algorithm studies patterns such as words used, email structure, sender behavior, links included. Over time, the system learns which patterns are associated with spam. When a new email arrives, it compares the email against those patterns and predicts spam or not spam. Training an AI model usually involves 3 stages. Training. The model learns patterns from large datasets. Validation. The model is tested on new data to measure accuracy. Deployment. The trained model is used in real-world applications. But AI models are not perfect. They improve continuously as they see more data. That's why modern AI systems constantly evolve. The more examples they process, the better their predictions become.
So let's recap what we learned.
Artificial intelligence is the broad field focused on making machines perform intelligent tasks. Machine learning allows computers to learn patterns from data. Deep learning uses neural networks to solve complex problems like vision and language. Together, these technologies are transforming industries across the world, from healthcare to transportation, from finance to education. AI is becoming one of the most important technologies of our time. And the best part? You don't need to be a mathematician to start learning AI. Understanding the fundamentals is the first step. If this video helped you understand AI more clearly, consider liking the video, sharing it with someone learning technology, and subscribing for more simple explanations of AI, cloud, and emerging tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.